Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna learn how to make apple pie. So for the crust, these are the ingredients that you are gonna be needing. What you're gonna do is pour all the flour in and then add the sugar and the salt. Pour it into what, you ask? Into this food processor and pulse it a few times to mix it all together. Next, you want to add in your butter. Make sure your butter is very cold and is cut into small cubes so that it's easier for the food processor to cut through and blend with the flour. Next, you're gonna add your cold water. Give this a couple of more pulses until they start to clump up. It should stick together when you pinch your fingers. When you pinch the dough. Now pour out the dough onto your workspace. Make sure to not knead this dough as much as possible. Form them into two balls and gently press down to form a thick disc. Put this onto a cling film and let them chill in the fridge while we make our filling. Okay, now for the filling, we're gonna need these ingredients.
Let's go!
First, you're gonna put in the butter into your saucepan and then let this melt over medium heat. Wow, look at that. Okay, once it's melted, you wanna add your flour in and whisk on low heat. Let this mixture simmer for a minute. After this, add your water and your sugar, and over medium heat, let this simmer for about 3 minutes. While we let that cool, we're gonna peel our apples, and we're gonna slice them into thin slices. Place all of the slices into a large mixing bowl and add in your cinnamon. Mix this until all of the apples are coated with the cinnamon. Next, add in the butter sugar mixture that we made just now and mix them until everything is combined. So it's gonna look like that. Okay, while you preheat your oven to 215 degrees, you can roll out your dough and make sure that it's big enough to fit your 9-inch pan. Nine-inch pan. Yeah, okay, so if it's ugly, don't worry, no one's ever gonna see it. It's just the bottom, who cares? If it breaks, you can just mend it. Pour in your apple pie filling. Yeah. Yeah, duh. Should look like that. Pretty nice, right? Roll out your second piece of dough into 9-inch, and you wanna cut 10 strips. Well, most people opt to cut even strips. We decided to cut uneven strips to make it look more homemade. Anyways, we're gonna make a lattice pattern where we put 5 strips vertically with spaces in between, and then we're gonna lift the first, third, and fifth strip up and place a horizontal strip in the middle. Next, we're gonna fold that down and lift up the second and the fourth strip up and place another horizontal strip there. You want to just repeat this until the entire pan is covered. Next, you want to fold over the edges of the strips and then crimp it up so that it looks nice. And then you want to get an egg wash and just cover the top with egg so that when you bake it, it'll look nice, golden brown and shiny. Place this into your preheated oven at 215 degrees and bake for 15 minutes before lowering it down to 175 degrees for 35 to 45 minutes. Not sure what to do with your egg? Don't worry, we got you. Place your salt in and add some water. Microwave this at full power for a minute. It should look like this. Place this into a nice plate and serve with ketchup. It's delicious. Okay, let it cool for an hour before you serve. Just saying, unless you want to burn your mouth.
Wow, amazing, spectacular! Oh, how can anyone make this?
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Look at us cut it. Oh my gosh, look at the filling. Wow, beautiful.